Hello friends, let's solve question number 5. Prove that the tangents to a circle at the end points of a diameter are parallel. So they have asked us to draw a circle. After that, we have to draw diameter of the circle. So on the end points of the diameter, they have asked us to draw two tangents. Okay. So, and to prove that those two tangents are parallel. So based on the information in the question, I have drawn a circle with the center O. So here AB is the diameter. So this OA is the radius and OB is also radius. So OA equals to OB. OA equals to OB equals to R. That is radius, right? So I have drawn two tangents. One is tangent XY from the endpoint A and the other one is tangent PQ from the endpoint B. They have asked us to prove that XY is parallel to PQ. That is what we have to prove. Let's move into the solution now. See here, I have written under given part that XY and AB and PQ. XY and PQ are the tangents to circle with the center O. AB is diameter where OA equals to OB equals to radius. Clear? So what we need to prove? Required to prove is XY is parallel to PQ. That is what we want to prove. So under the proof, as per theorem 9.1, we know that radius is perpendicular to tangent. So what will I write here? OA is perpendicular to XY, write in bracket, since theorem 9.1. Since theorem 9.1, radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So OA is perpendicular to XY. In the same way here, OB is perpendicular to PQ. Write the same thing here. OB is perpendicular to PQ. Write in brackets, since theorem 9.1. Okay, since theorem 9.1. Here, if OA is perpendicular to XY, then it means what? This AB is also perpendicular to XY, right? Correct? Because this entire line is 90 degrees to the tangent XY. So, write it here. AB is perpendicular to XY. Okay? AB is perpendicular to XY. And here when you see OB is perpendicular to PQ means what? AB is also perpendicular to PQ. Correct? Write it here. AB is perpendicular to PQ. So in the reason, what will you write means, see here, OA equals to OB, it forms a straight line, and here also OA equals to OB, it forms a straight line. So when you see here in the figure, I will write here this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now let's see in the figure here. See, the first equation AB is perpendicular to XY. In the second equation is AB is perpendicular to PQ. So what does it mean? If a single line is perpendicular to both lines means what? These two lines are parallel to each other. Correct? So from equation 1 and equation 2, XY is parallel to PQ. Clear? See, because here the angle formed is 90 degrees in both the equations. What does it mean? The lines will be parallel, they do not intersect at any other point. Clear? So, if same line is perpendicular to both lines, then the other two lines are parallel to each other. So, from equation 1 and 2, XY is parallel to PQ. So, that is what we need to prove, right? Hence, proved. Hence, proved. So, this is the solution. Clear? So, this is the solution. So, I hope you like this video. It's very easy. In case you like this video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.